Click a link in this video description. Sign into Vids on the Google Vids homepage. Choose your Google account to sign in. Let's start creating will appear. Click on blank vid to start creating a new video. On the right side, below the Generate a Video section, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on it. Select VEO3 Preview from the drop-down menu. Enter a description of the scene you want to create into the text field. Click the Create button to begin the video generation process. Wait for the video generation to complete. You will see a progress bar indicating the percentage completed. Once the video has been generated, you can preview it. Click the Insert button to add the generated video to the timeline. To download the video, right-click on the video in the Preview section. Select Save Video as. Choose a save location on your computer to save. Thank you. Like and subscribe and Invest Nexus for more.